Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. So, brothers and sisters, greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First. And all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. I'm going to say that. I send that one straight to the people who copyright my channel. Our channel. Why? Because me use the video where them escort the professional clown go around and they lock up in a central. Now, I could only a policeman make the video there. So I figure more or less say we could have did use it in the interest of crime prevention and in the interest of the prevention of certain, uncivil behavior amongst us within the Jamaican society. Seeing, so could have be nobody else but a policeman, a greedy individual where a hustle after the suffering or demise or punishment of a criminal. You don't see it. Or unless the individual reserve some powerful defense solicitor, lawyer, where create some level of stupidity, some immoral thing regarding the video. You don't see it. And I try stifle freedom of speech and freedom of opinion. Seeing or somebody a hustle, a profit and a benefit, whichever way, whoever it was. Remember me tell you this, man. You see, the thing with copyright and them thing there, you could have sent a warning for cease and desist. Don't use your thing no more. You go straight after the channel. So we know what that mean. And that don't mean nothing to we. You see it, cause the fight now stop. See? So, you want me. See today for me. Tomorrow, the day after and everything are for Uno. And whoever do that, just prepare yourself for your day, because your day go bitter. Well bitter. You see it? See, I see him here. It don't mean nothing to I. See? Anyway. We fix it up and we put it out the back for the item same way. So that's the item the message can reach. You see? Yes, I. Yeah. Watch I. The dirty bomb buckler, Yes, I. Brothers and sisters. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First. And all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like content, subscribe and make way go to the platform. You see. Now I notice you don't know. Anyway, now I mention. Please remember the Cash app. You see it, you don't know. Help go to the platform because without finance, the thing low-key. You see it. Now we want talk about this Dunce phenomena we take over Jamaica when enough people don't realize. Remember in the early 90s or early 2000, yeah. Early 2000, I would come out with some sort of song with name Mad Sick Head No Good. Mad Sick Head No Good. Call himself Predator. Not realizing say right across the world a predator is one of them. Where they more look upon a human predator, somebody will prey upon the younger ones, them, the younger children, them, see it. And basically, You know, it's funny. See it? But where enough people realize, a lot of people keep forgetting what our culture is. That you speak of a certain things and it manifests. It take onto itself flesh, Rasta. You know, see it? In other words, our elder them usually say, speak of the devil and it appear. See? No, it usually hard for work out them little thing the more time. But I mean, you know, speak of something too often and it take on where it becomes flesh. You know, see? And we see where the society breed up to be, not overlooking the contribution from the government and the corporate society itself as well. Because we know, say, when society break down like that, property get cheaper, everything get cheaper, and the rich just buy them up and then calm down back things, whichever way, however way. See, small investment in the army and the police force can cramp and cripple everything we are going. All of them because stupidity where we are going. So I put Zozo across the island and all of them things. Them things they are just a band-aid over a gaping wound. And the government know that because how many years now them do Zozo and why it do? Why the things get worse? Crime rate go up every year same way. You know, see? We observe something in the media where Guyana crime rate drop below. Anyway, we are read that. We are read that now a bit. See? But this Dunce phenomena where we are observe, where enough youth probably not realize are the man who is mainly responsible for it himself, which I don't need to do no research or phone nobody. The person we are talking about, Rygin King, I him first come with a romanticization of you know, this sort of stupidity. You know, see, he might embrace this dunce business and even try to make himself look more dunce than him is in a lot of cases, Rasta, where they make a whole heap of meme off of him at one point in the year. See? But apart from all of these things, because to the law of nature set, you know, him start crumble before him crumble. See, not that I appreciate love or celebrate what happened to him, but him lose the use of him leg. The man them cripple him. You know, see, the same don't stuck them when him sing and promote and big up and develop in a right now the whole out can see him. I go around in a little wheelchair and sorry for him and they feel a little way about it and them little way there. But again, we have to look on the root cause of this whole thing here, Rasta. Because if we were in the grind, now take care of ourselves, you know, now pave the way for a brighter day, for a safer day tomorrow. You know, see it, we have to expect, say, this thing is going to reach us as well. You know, see it? No, you know, without even apology or accepting or even acknowledging the error of him ways, him still go on and him, you know what I say? Again, that alone just be sympathetic. Our nature as human being to be sympathetic. So we don't even need him for seek sorry for we start sorry for him without even looking back into the whole thing where the whole thing come from. See me do a video the other day where I hold up a girl on the pool and thing like that, and him just let us sit down in a wheelchair. You know, see it, him can't go post in the pool because probably him leg them go float away and it not going to be a good video shoot and all. It not going to look appropriate, you know, it not going to look macho enough. You see your foot them a float away in the water and thing like that. You know, see it, Rygin King. But without acknowledgement and try and do some of the damage them, some of the wanton waste man damage them when you do singing and embracing this dunce business where you hear everybody talk about today. You see it? It not really, you know, in a fly with I and I. You know, see it? Yes, academics, higher learning, and them things they are something we're supposed to appreciate love. See? No wonder the youth them in the school behave so them way these days as a quint. You see another viral video where the youth them are fighting at school, all man them with all of them sort of influence the two we are show up and promote up them thing there. You know, see it? I make them think they look like it's a good thing to the youth. Them nothing reshare them thing the Rasta. You know see it? Them think they stay with spot them there. Them now have no place in a modern society, and that's something we should be ashamed of. And that's something we're supposed to watch and laugh and talk about watch how the youth them are going. Youth them are behave that way because this Dunce thug argument make it look like say them now have no form of education to be embraced and feel welcome and wanted in a society. And so the youth them feel these days, Rasta. You know see it, which is high level stupidity, backward thinking and backward mobility. We can't really accept them sort of sitting there amongst us Rasta. You know see it? Like I said, the man them are responsible for do something and say something about it. You sitting in your wheelchair right now and you see where the consequence. You know see it because again, you know, you almost them could have killed you. See, at least you still have your life where you can sing and take care of your children them. If you did that day, they buy now probably your little resource whittle down away where your children them gone back and live regular life again, even though we know it whittle down somewhat. You know see it? But again, responsibility, Rasta. Consequence. You know see it? Alright. We are going to observe a little thing we are going in a Guyana. You know. Guyana where did higher. Guyana where have more. Make we read the article here. Jamaica Guyana. Think of this morning it published 16th of November. Saying the police said they have seized 68 illegal firearms so far this year with the United States and Brazil being the countries of origin. You hear that? Alright. Georgetown, Guyana. CMC. Guyana is reporting a 108 murder. Is reporting 108 murder so far this year. The lowest level in the past decade. As law enforcement authorities Tuesday indicated that serious crimes in the country had declined by 19%. Addressing the launch of the Christmas Policing Plan 2022, Acting Deputy Commissioner and Crime Chief Wendell Blanum said that there were 331 fewer serious crimes recorded between January 1st and November 13, 2022, when compared to the same period last year. The police said they had seized 68 illegal firearms so far this year, with the United States and Brazil being the countries of origin. Regarding Brazil, a significant amount of illegal firearms seized are the Taurus pistols and revolvers. The Taurus weapons are produced and sourced from Brazil. Our investigation has so far revealed that lithium is a main transit point for these weapons, said Blanum. The police said that the number of murders, incidents of RAP and robberies declined in 2022, with the authorities reporting no cases of kidnapping last year or so far this year. The data confirms that there was a fluctuation in the trend with a peak in 2020 with 157 murders recorded in that year. However, there was a steady decline in the number of murders. It can be clearly observed that over the 5-year period, disorderly murders have been the most prevalent category of murders recorded in Guyana. There were 368 disorderly murders. I don't want to repeat that word so much time. There were 368 disorderly killings during this 5-year period. These incidents emanated from disorderly conduct and impersonal violence, he explained. The police said that it would be launching a social media campaign in a bid to bring down the number of disorderly killings. The campaign will seek to raise awareness on disorderly conduct and how it can escalate into that sort of thing. Conflict resolution seminars are also on the card. See? So we know we not under no illusion say this type of crime in Jamaica can be abated. You see, take a page out of the Guyanese book. They were ahead of us, far ahead of us on the scale. And things like that. Jamaica was below them. See? Now, if we not take a look at ourselves and do something and try to do something about it, we are going to just sit back and watch the corporate entities and government who benefit somewhat from this. You could have deal and benefit from it. You know, see, because when people ask about hospital, when people, the people who have need for go hospital, see the deplorable condition where the hospital them in. Only people who have need for drive on certain road, see the condition of these roads. Infrastructure and things like that, it's run down and need to be looked at. But them things, nobody now question these things because of crime and violence, so they have to face out a road. It becomes, you know, it is a distraction is a kind of a simple way to look at it, but it has distracted from all else that's important. Look inside of the school them, look how the children them behave. What could I create this? What could I contribute to them sort of thing here? This dunce thug mentality where it's cool now to be dunce. Never ever before in the society of Jamaica has this been a trend, a type of, nobody no want to be known as dunce. Nobody no want to romanticize that, regardless of how frustrating or how inaccessible education is to a higher level. You see, everybody usually, majority usually appreciate love the bit where them get up to the point where them can get it far, Rasta. You know, see, remember people usually have to work 2 jobs for pay for common entrance and for pay for private lesson and things like that so that the children them can move on to a higher level education. It's unacceptable. And the people will find themselves in a position, a mature position who suffer the unfortunately of such a era should encourage the youth them to do better. I saw it always go. What kind of future that a guy create for himself when he embrace and sing about this dunce business here? What it mean? Who it benefit? You know, see, be careful you not end up in a wheelchair if you're that lucky. Whoever you are, sing them type of song here. Like you can't find, you follow back a boy, we run with any trend, Rasta. You see? When the man them can't inspire, can't be an inspiration. No, you have to run with what you see a go on, what's cool. What the man, what's, you know, kind of idiot concept that. Them behavior is not acceptable, Rasta. You know, see? Can't go around with this crooked mental. Make I take a breath and make you look on one of them if you mean to hear, sir. That's the way forward. Straight in a central, Rasta. Yeah, if you don't know, if you never know, if you never walk that plank there yet, let me tell you now. Straight in a central, lock up a guy gone. Because him dark, dunce mentality. You know, see it. We don't have no problem with being whoever you are, but it end up now that's, you know, he's a professional clown. And that them have that. Monica, that title you get in the newspaper, nobody don't even want to know your right name, Rasta. Everybody just knows, say, yeah, he's a professional clown that did a act in the interest of the taxi man them. The taxi man them couldn't find somebody, nobody would have really take on such a role except a clown. You see, and that's what it means. We don't know if the Dunce thug mentality, rather them are, you know, could have just stay as a clown, Rasta, than come be a Dunce thug. Yeah, so it's like one joke for the next. You know, see, man is a total entertainer in all form. All when a serious thing supposed to go on, Rasta. You know, see, unacceptable, Rasta, them behavior, yeah. Them sort of mentality, you know, business on nobody want to look at it, you know, because even if you're a stepper, even if you're a gangster, if you're not smart enough up on your headpiece for outwit the authority, you's only a walking and open sepulchre. You know, see, one day they are wait upon you. Crime and violence and them people that make all of the money. The man them will have the dead house them, the mag, and them sort of people, yeah, them people that make the money. Crazy money. So much that's them we even spend our money for war and violence going in a community and people end up drop out. Because some level of gunshot on me here a fire Rasta. This a come from some serious source. You know see it? Yeah. And yeah, we not say them things with bated breath. And we not take back them thought the night Rasta. Some business people who have benefit from crime and violence are enable it. Financially too. Financially. And look at you, them just get falling on the trap. Like so, well then, you know, there is no tomorrow. Anyway, we give thanks.